everyone, it's time to put our things away. Let's make our room beautiful together. Tom, tell us, what do you see?
I see a car and a big blue block.
Where do the toys and the blocks go?
Back in the box, tick tock, tick tock.
Tom and Dana love to clean and play. Dana, tell us, what do you see?
I see a book with a yellow sun.
Where do the colorful storybooks go?
Back on the shelf, now we're almost done.
Tom and Dana love to clean and play.
Time to clean up,
Time to clean up.
on our journey we learn and play.
We make everything neat today.
Pick up the toys, 1, 2, 3. It's fun for you and fun for me.
Look on the floor, what's hiding there?
A fuzzy teddy bear in a rocking chair.
Oh, the bear in the basket, soft and warm.
Now our room is safe from any storm. Tom and Dana
Love to clean and play. Pick up the cars, the blocks and books.
see how beautiful everything looks.
Learning is fun for you and me.
Clean as a whistle, as you can see.
Wave goodbye, everyone.
Tom